Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Putri Stalista Fatimatul Zahra and my student number is... In this video, I would like to explain one important topic to the listening, which is wishes. This topic is important because questions about wishes often appear in TOEFL short conversation. And many students get confused because they focus only on sentence they heard and forget the meaning behind it. Today, I will explain what wishes are, the main TOEFL listening trick, several examples with explanation, and a short quiz to test your understanding. So, let's begin. What are wishes? First, let's discuss what a wish is. A wish is you want someone when a situation to be different from reality. In TOEFL listening, the most important things to remember is that a wish usually means the opposite situation is true. For example, I wish I had more free time. This means I do not have much free time now. So, when you hear the word wish, remember that the real situation is usually the opposite. This is the key answering to the listening question correctly. Now that we understand the meaning of wishes, let's move on to the main trick that can help us answer to the listening question more easily. To the listening trick. Now, I will explain the main trick for answering question about wishes. The trick is very simple. When you hear a wish, think about the opposite reality. Do not focus only on what the speaker wants. Instead, think about the speaker's actual situation. For example, if someone say, I wish I had a car, the reality is the person does not have a car. If someone say, I wish I didn't have so much homework, the reality is the person have a lot of homework. So, always remember, wish equal the opposite of reality. This is the most important trick for this topic. After understanding the trick, let's look at some examples to see how this rule works into the listening question. Example and explanation.
Listen to the following conversation. Woman, it's too bad that you have to stay here and work during the holiday. Man, I really wish I could go with my friends to Bali.
What does the man mean? A. He is going to Bali with his friends. B. He cannot go to Bali with his friends. C. He does not like Bali. D. His friends canceled the trip.
Explanation. So, the correct answer is B. The man say, I wish I could with my friend to Bali. Remember that a wish means the opposite of reality. He wishes he could go, which means he cannot go. Therefore, the correct answer is B.
Listen to the following conversation. Man, why do you look so stressed? Woman, I wish I didn't have so much homework this week.
What does the woman mean? A. She has no homework. B. She enjoys doing homework. C. She has a lot of homework. D. She has finished all of her homework.
Explanation. The correct answer is C. Because the woman wishes she didn't have so much homework. This means the opposite situation is true. And she actually has a lot of homework. Therefore, the correct answer is C.
Listen to the following conversation. Woman, are you excited about your trip to France? Man, yes, but I wish I could speak French.
What does the man mean? A. He speaks French very well. B. He cannot speak French. C. He dislikes French. D. He is a French teacher.
Explanation. The correct answer is B, because the man wishes he could speak French. This means he cannot speak French now. Again, the wish expression the opposite of reality. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Quiz time. Now it's time for a short quiz. I have prepared several TOEFL listening questions about wishes for you. To join the quiz, please click the Kahoot link provided in the description below this YouTube video. Try answering all the questions by yourself and see how well you understand today's topic. Remember to ask the main trick we discussed earlier, which equals the opposite of reality. After completing the quiz, you can prepare your answer and check your understanding of wishes in TOEFL listening. Tips for TOEFL listening. Before ending this video, I would like to share some simple tips. First, always listen carefully of the word wish. Second, remember the main rule, wish means the opposite of reality. Third, do not panic in sentence sound confusing. Simply ask yourself, what is real situation? Finally, practice listening to short TOEFL conversation regularly. The more you practice, the easier it will be to organize wishes and answer the question correctly. Closing. We have reached the ending of this video. Today, we learned about wishes in TOEFL listening, the main trick for understanding them, and several examples with explanation. The most important things to remember is that wishes usually express the opposite of reality. I hope this explanation helped you understand TOEFL listening better and makes it easier for you to answer questions about wishes.